Well, an unsung leadership skill is often planning to plan. Recently, Trudy MacDonald joined my senior leadership team to help us focus not primarily on where we want to be, but more importantly, who we want to be. Over a course of a day, we covered not only key elements of being a high-performing team of high-performing individuals, but we also took a separate session out to really consider the importance of succession planning. What we found was having a really well-structured framework makes it possible for an entire team to rise like a tide and allow for unique skills and talents to be recognised and plans to be put in place. What we've also now got is a framework where we review and we reset regularly, knowing that there is a plan, that it can be fluid, but importantly, that we're actively investing in our people. So thank you, Trudy. It was an incredible day of learning and leaning in, and I look forward to the next one. Thank you.